This is the demo video of UV ultraviolet lamp control system. You can see this red indicator is the power on indicator. If this light is glowing, it will tell you that this system is on. This is the green indicator. This indicates whether it is safe to enter the room or not. If this light is on, it indicates it is safe to enter the room, and the ultraviolet light is off. If this light is blinking once every second, it indicates the ultraviolet light is on, and anybody enters the room and disturbs the ultraviolet sensor, it will immediately turn off the UV lamp. And if this light is blinking once in 5 seconds and the green light is always on, it indicates that the timer cycle is complete and now it is in standby mode. So anybody who enters the room at this state will reset the device and it will start a new cycle again. This is the button for you to set the timing. One press, it will be 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes and 60 minutes. So you have to press this once to change the setting, and it will remain as long as you press the switch again. It will be stored in the permanent memory. This is the ultrasonic sensor. So if it senses an obstruction, it will trigger or untrigger the device. In our indicator, we are using this red lamp as an indicator for in place of a UV lamp. So if this is on, our understanding is the UV lamp is on. Currently the system is calibrated for 30 seconds. So let us see how the device operates. I am going to turn on the switch. Once you turn on the switch, you can see the power indicator is on and the green light is not glowing. If there is any obstruction, if you can see when an object is there in front of the ultraviolet light sensor, ultrasonic sensor, you see the green light is always glowing. So as long it is glowing, it indicates that there is an obstruction and ultraviolet light will not turn on. The moment obstruction is removed, you can see the green light goes away and the time delay is 40 seconds. So in 40 seconds, it will tell you once again what is the amount of time it is going to be on, and then it will start the UV lamp. In our example video here, we have set the time to 30 seconds. So you can just see after 30 seconds, it will give you one single beep, and then we have to see the UV lamp to be on. Okay, you got that indication. Okay, now the relay is on, the UV lamp is on for 30 seconds. You can see 5 beeps. This light blinks once in each second. So 30 seconds is the set for this demo. After 30 seconds, the UV lamp should turn off. As you can see now, the cycle is complete and this green LED is always on, and it will just blink, go off for half a second to indicate that the cycle is complete and it is safe to enter the room because the UV lamp is off. Now either you have to switch off the device or somebody has to obstruct the ultraviolet sensor to reset the cycle. You can just see I am going to obstruct this. Now you can see the blinking stops because the sensing is there. Now it has reset and now it is not blinking once in 5 seconds. It is always on. As long as you keep the sensor sensed, it will be on. Now if you remove, again the light will go away. Again 30, it will wait for 40 seconds and then the next cycle starts. You can see that. And if somebody enters when the UV lamp is on, it should automatically turn off immediately. So that we are going to test it in this cycle. Now the UV lamp will be on for 30 seconds. Okay, now it gave an indication it is going to now 30 seconds it will be on. In between 30 seconds somebody enters and obstructs. Immediately the UV lamp will turn off and then the new cycle starts. As long as there is movement, this green light would be glowing. Thank you.